Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and grind Energites in far west. Now this quest asks us to grind for Energites. So Energites are these items right here. You can press F and you can go ahead and drop them here to grind. As you can see now we only need to grind 3 more Energites. Now to look for them, if you come across here, you will notice that there is a pickaxe we can pick up by pressing F, and then we can go ahead and mine this. So go ahead and left click here, and there we go, we have an Energite. Press F, and then I can go ahead and drop this one as well. So make our way across here and drop this Energite. See, we just need 2 more. Go ahead and pick up your pickaxe again, and I want you to go ahead and keep mining here. You should find another Energite right here, and we can go ahead and press F, grab that, and drop this one as well. Here we go, and now we just need 1 more. You can also go ahead and mine these other ones as well. So this is another cave that we can come and mine, and you will find an Energite right here, which you can go ahead and drop into this. And here we go, we have dropped the last Energite, and we get a gold chest. You can come here to the gold chest and pick up these rewards, and there you go. That is how to find and grind Energites in far west. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.